Okay, so we now have our stabilizers ready, and the next thing we want to do is to color our blades and to round the edges, and then drill the blade and stitch it. So first we need to get our blades. You remember, let it dry for 2 or 3 days, so that it can harden. And if you have any excess of the glue on the blade, look for it and then just rub it off with your finger. It will work. It will just roll off. But you have to get it off, because when you paint it, it will not paint at the point where you have glue. So it's like quality control for your Dussack. So. Okay. Don't that anymore. So what we need now is our paint, and what I usually use is acrylic leather paint for coloring the Dussacks. And in this case, we will build 2 Dussack which are scarlet red. So when you're painting, try to move in the direction of the blade, because it will look a bit better afterwards. You can get a more homogeneous color then. Some of these colors are better than others, so especially the light colors don't work so good on this leather. So if you want to have a real full tone of the color, the darker ones are usually better. But you can get them in all different colors. Just when you're painting, try to do it slowly with long strikes, so you get more homogeneous. So you don't need to paint everything. You see, you don't need to actually paint the grip. You can do this; it's satisfying for you, but you don't need to. Also, part of the blade doesn't need coloring where you have the stabilizer. I usually paint everything. So. But you don't need to.